Choose a design, draw it on white paper with a pencil. Now prepare a stencil. Here I'm using a parchment paper. Keep parchment paper or butter paper on your design just like this and start tracing with a pen. Now finish the entire design and done with the tracing. It's done. Now, it's a time to apply the stencil on client's skin. Here I'm using Old Spice Roll-Over Deodorant. You can use any of your choice. Please make sure it is just a rollover deodorant. Apply to deodorant on the skin just like I'm doing it in this video. Now it's time to place a stencil on the applied deodorant skin and press it gently so that the impression will be visible to you. This is the temporary tattoo ink that I ordered from Amazon. Start drawing with the temporary tattoo ink. It's done. Enjoy your temporary tattoo.